because my private office.
Kurumirira tharikira ya ica ikuhĩ ya seneta wa Isiolo Fatuma Dulo na seneta wa Vihiga Godfrey Osotsi nĩ nyanake ũgũtumũrĩte ndereti biũ kamĩtĩ-inĩ ya ũgitĩri ya Senate maseneta makĩenda mũnene wa borithi Douglas Kanja na mũrunawe wa DCI Mohamed Amin gũtarĩria kĩrĩa gĩtũmĩte nyanake ici kwaga gũtacũkĩria ikinya rĩa watho.
I have no right actually to move around even in Isiolo County. I make complaint. And I'm a citizen of this country. When my life is in danger, as an elected leader of Isiolo County, how do I protect my people?
The Speaker of the House had directed your office to file a report after 14 days on this matter of Dulo. I just want to understand why your office failed to comply with the directive to submit a report.
There is no one who is above the law. And as the DCI has indicated, let us allow the investigations to go on. If the investigations point to the governor of Isiolo, then rest assured that he will have to record his statements. And if it's connected with what we are investigating, then we will go ahead and do what the service is supposed to do.
Kanja agitetera rũhonge rwa borithi ugite makoretwo magitabania uthuthuria wa bamwe akiuga wongerereku wa nyanake iria irathogotha micemanio ya muingi riu no nginya ukinye muthia.
The issues of guns and guns. Honorable Chair and honorable members, this issue of guns and guns is going to stop. It is going to stop because these goons, and we have investigated. I don't want to state here because that's my work to do. We have clearly investigated. We have seen where they come from, who funds, who does what, who is the grassroots organizer and so forth and so on. I want to assure you, Chair and honorable members, this issue of guns and guns is going to stop.
Senator wa Vihiga Godfrey Osotsi aiyũrĩtwo nĩ marakara orĩtie kamĩtĩ ĩno kwatha Minister wa ũgitĩri Kipchumba Murkomen marĩ na mwandĩki mũkaru rũhonge-inĩ rũu Raymond Omolo gũka gũtarĩria kĩgumo kĩa tharĩkĩra cia ateti akiuga nyingĩ cia tharĩkĩra ici ikurubanĩtio na ũteti.
He has in fact ignored police. If you go to his office, the people you meet in the corridor are goons. In his vehicle, he walks around with goons. In his chopper, he walks around with goons. So this is a goon principal secretary. And something has to be done about this. I'm talking as a victim and I'm talking as a person who has knowledge of what is happening. So, Chair, it will be very unfair to continue with this meeting without these two important people who bear political accountability.
If a request comes from the DCI, are you honestly telling us that it takes Safaricom 2 months to give you the call data records? No wonder even in the incident involving Senator Osotsi, Honorable Chair, we are being told that the suspect somehow sneaked out of the country. It is just absolutely, it doesn't make sense to us.
Maya mokite onarire mwabu wa Linda Mwananchi wereiro ũgitĩri mũcemanio ũrĩa ũgakorwo Kĩthumo mũthenya wa Kiumia.
Hatutoroki leo, bima hiyo kitu mkutano iendelee.
Atongoria na ateti magĩikia mateta matharĩkĩra hĩndĩ ya mĩcemanio ya mũingĩ. Mũnene wa borithi Douglas Kanja augĩte nĩ wĩigĩrĩrĩki wake gũtigĩrĩra mũndũ wothe nĩ mũgitĩre mũtongoria ona kana Mũkenya. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV kuma bunge ya bũrũri kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi, njĩtagwo Masi wa Ndia wa Mũrĩithi.